dosto, welcome to IWM Buzz. This is your host Shubhajit, and today I have with me on the channel a lovely guest in the form of Priya Bapat. She is called quite popular. She is quite gorgeous. She has been doing some amazing work in the past, and we are going to be seeing her new project on 6th of August. It is Anikai Hawa Season 3. She's here to talk to us about that. First of all, I want to know how are you doing? It's been a really difficult time since the last 1.5 years. How have you been in terms of overall stress and mindset?
Nothing, yeah, working out, keeping myself healthy and fit. And I think
Yeah,
workout helps me
yeah,
to keep calm as well.
yeah,
So, yes, taking care of
yeah,
my uh, fitness, my body and my mind first than anything
yeah.
else. So, yes, I
Absolutely.
hope you all are doing well and you all are healthy
Absolutely,
as well.
absolutely. Most important thing to do right now. And
Yes.
now moving on to the next question quickly. Whenever there's these kind of romantic, I would say rom-com bolo ya kuch aur bolo, where there's a lot of, drama over there with real life couples. Now, when they come together, वो magic जो on screen होता है, वो अलग ही तरीके का होता है. First season host, everything looks like, really effortless. So is it actually the case? या फिर is there a counter side to it ki nahi, just because you are like a real couple, so you won't need to make it look like natural all the way?
I think we don't really have to take any extra efforts to be natural on screen because we know each other for past 17 years. We've been
Ji,
married for 10 years. So the only thing that we make sure is that when we are on set, we are actors
yeah,
and co-actors and not husband and
yeah,
wife for sure.
yeah, yeah,
Though we help each other to improve or to do better, but only as co-actors. I mean, we don't
yeah,
bring in our personal stuff on set at all.
yeah, yeah,
But as you said, the comfort level definitely matters.
yeah,
Because जैसे उमेश और मैं बहुत सालों से एक दूसरे के साथ है. I mean, even before
जी,
marriage, we
जी,
have spent a lot of time together. तो हम एक
yeah,
दूसरे की हर नस से वाकिफ है. So
yes,
it just becomes little easy and comforting to have your own person as your
yeah,
co-actor.
yeah,
और वैसे भी इनहिबिशंस हम अगर किसी और को एक्टर्स के साथ काम भी करते तो भी कोई इनहिबिशंस नहीं होती. इट्स जस्ट दैट
yeah,
I think it's just the personal chemistry that we have translates on
yeah,
screen because the comfort
yeah,
is different. But other
absolutely,
than that, nothing. As the thing is कि शायद अगर कोई भी दूसरा को एक्टर होता तो प्रोफेशनली हम
जी,
ऐसे ही काम करते जैसे आज कर रहे हैं.
जी, जी,
Yeah. So there is not much difference as such.
yeah,
But
yeah,
it's
but
just
but I
happy to work with him because I love him as an actor. I love him.
Absolutely. You love him as an individual, as an actor, nothing more than that. वो
Yeah.
दिखता भी है chemistry, that nothing better than that. But tell me one thing, whenever there's like a sequel हो season 1 के बाद, there's like a season 2, a predetermined factor is कि हाँ वो चला है. If you have a season 1, उसके बाद if you're having a season 2, that means season 1 did well. उसके बाद
What did
you're having
well,
a
yeah.
season 3 as well. So that means the first two seasons were obviously very good, and people have a lot of expectations from you guys. What do you have to say regarding the love that you guys receive in every kind of season whenever you guys are coming up with?
It's overwhelming, really. I mean, there are times when I go speechless because, especially during the pandemic, people
Ji,
kept messaging that this was the biggest stress buster. And thank God we had second season to look forward to, and now the third
yeah,
season because
yeah,
this is the relief, this is the breather that we have. And it's a kind of a show where the whole family can sit together and watch. So there is nothing like
true,
controversial or nothing which is so intense that you can't watch with your parents or something like that. It's
yeah,
just the whole family sits together and enjoy. And during the pandemic, this is exactly what happened. People were stuck
yeah,
in one room in your own houses, like house
yeah,
arrest,
yeah, yeah,
and a house arrest with your family. And तब
yes,
अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ show मिले जो where which
yeah,
can be an entertainer for everybody, it's a treat.
yeah, yeah,
So the response was quite overwhelming. Of course, thoda
yeah,
pressure tha when we went into the third season that
yeah,
people expect from you to do better.
yeah, yeah,
If you are delivering, then people expect you to do even better.
even
And
better, yes,
yeah, but I think that's what helps you kind of work on yourself, work on the script more, and come back with a stronger
yeah,
content
yeah,
than what you had
yeah,
earlier.
yeah,
So yeah, I think Varun has written a fabulous script, and he's a wonderful director to work with. And
yeah.
yeah, I think we have a solid content here. I'm
I think
I think people will like the third season.
No, 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 of course, I'm pretty sure they will because, as you said rightly, कि when people like it, there's an expectation that's there. So you got to live up to those expectations. इसलिए पहले
Yeah.
जो काम किया उससे ज़्यादा double मेहनत करना पड़ता है. And I think if you guys have done it, people will obviously like it. But tell me something. This one is about something which is quite real for all sorts of all couples out there, be it marriage या फिर live-in couples over there. Because lockdown का time जो था एक होता था पहले कि couples used to complain कि अरे यार हम एक दूसरे को space नहीं देते. Now there was a time suddenly it comes जहाँ पे even if you want to give each other a lot of space, you probably can't because of the situation that's
Yeah.
around. So इसके वजह से it's been very difficult for some couples. While some have embraced it, some have found it really difficult as well. So what are the things that you feel people might take cues from season three? I'm talking about the couples especially.
So I think I really love the question because this is how relationships evolve, no?
Yeah.
In situations like this, how you react or how you respond or
Yes.
how you
True.
overcome that situation as a couple. That's
Yeah.
when your relationship becomes stronger.
Yeah.
So, and I think pandemic or these difficult times were testing times for every family and every
Yes.
relationship. So
Yeah.
yes, Zui and Saket also, I'm glad that in the third season,
Third
it's
season.
not only about the firsts of their life and it's not about the sweet little happy moments of their life. It's not only
Yeah.
about that. You
Yeah.
have a lot of that, but you also have, because it's been 5 years of their marriage now, you also have a very, very, very intense, intimate, very delicate moments in their life which they have to confront as a couple, and
Yeah.
how your relationship evolves after that point
Yeah.
is very important. And
Yeah.
I'm sure that there will be a great, great, great positive takeaway for people from Zui, the way Zui and Saket react or respond to
Yeah.
those particular situations in their lives
Yeah.
in the third season especially.
Yeah.
That's why I said मुझे लगता है शायद मुझे लगता है लोगों को ये पसंद आएगा क्योंकि this is more realistic, where we are talking
Yeah.
about those mundane lives. We are talking about not we are talking about the stress that we have to face in the offices, like
Yeah.
especially work from home has become a task. Like
True.
you think घर पे बैठ के काम करना है, but no, it's better to step out and go
Tougher.
to your office and work
Yeah.
and come back. Work from home is the
Yeah.
toughest space to be in.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
every couple is going through that phase right now. So
Yeah.
office talks are irritating nowadays. And similar situation you see in Zui and Saket's life also, that you have nothing. There comes a point where you have nothing other than your office and work to discuss.
Yes.
And then as a couple, you need to sit and understand that what is this space that we are in right now and what is it that we
Yeah.
have to deal with,
Yeah.
so that we can crack this and become, we handle the how do we handle this situation. And this has happened with me and Umesh also a lot of times.
Yeah.
एक पॉइंट आता है कि हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ काम के बारे में सोचते हैं, सिर्फ और सिर्फ काम के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं. Then we have to tell ourselves to take a pause, and then we have to give ourselves time as a couple and not as क्योंकि अगर आप अपनी इंडिविजुअल लाइकिंग को चेरिश नहीं करोगे, उसके साथ टाइम नहीं बिताओगे, और अगर आप किसी एक चीज के पीछे दौड़ते रहोगे, then everything will turn, सब एनर्जी ही चेंज हो जाती है रिलेशनशिप में. I think there are a lot of moments like these in Zui and Saket's life. So I'm sure that people will relate to it a lot. And I can say this is more than a happy moment couple. This season is more realistic. Like we are talking about real issues in marriage now.
Yeah. I think that's a very valid point because no matter how much we show the honeymoon period, एक ना एक time के बाद खत्म होता है, and eventually you have to face the reality as well. So it's like a blend of all aspects together. So I think quite rightly pointed. My next question to you is exactly, I think, from where you left the last one, which is you were talking about how you and Umesh had dealt with. I'm pretty sure every couple who have spent the lockdown together, they probably must have realized something new or the other about either their relationship or their partner, which they probably had no idea about earlier in the past. Was it something like that in your case as well with Umesh?
In a way, yes, or in a way, no. Maybe I didn't discover anything new, but I just thought
Yeah.
that अगर तुम एक रूम में किसके साथ लॉक हो जाओ तो आपको आप उस टाइम को survive कर सकोगे तो I'm happy that I got stuck with Umesh because I could survive the pandemic only because I had him with me. It's that, and I'm sure it's vice versa. I'm sure he'll think the same way.
Of course,
I
of
hope.
course.
I hope. और एटलीस्ट मैं बोल देती हूँ ताकि वो सेम रिपीट कर दे बाद में कभी
Of course he'll be saying the same thing as well, and I'm pretty sure about that. Last question before I let you go is we talked about this part where we were talking about couples having living together and surviving this crucial time in the best way possible together. But there are also a lot of people out there who are individuals who are probably living alone. They have missed that, I would say, that physical touch or that emotional connect with people out there, which is why they have been dealing with a lot of stuff like maybe depression or other issues which are really, really serious. So what do you have to say to those people who are probably not as blessed as people who have others around them at a critical time like this? Do you have anything to say to those people?
I always feel that there will always be one person in your life. I mean, I'm not talking about partner or a life partner or a love relationship. I'm talking about anybody. That could be your friend, that could be your father, that could be your mother, that could be your sister, that could be your neighbor, that could be anybody with whom you find some comfort. I just feel that it's very important to discuss and talk. And I genuinely feel that if there is anybody out there who doesn't have that one person, then the counselor is your person. But professional help, talking, venting it out, discussing issues, and letting somebody else know how you feel is very important. And one must do that because that really helps you. It's also about talking to yourself. They say, when you say things aloud, you also reconfirm things in your head or to yourself.
It's true fact.
So when you are actually, it's confronting those emotions. A lot of times we go into a denial कि मुझे कुछ नहीं होता. I'm really cool. I don't care. मैं ये survive कर सकता हूँ. I'm really strong. Things don't happen that way. Every person has that side, and every person has fear or disappointment, and we all have to face all of that. It's important to have at least one person in your life with whom you can discuss. And if you don't have that one person, please go ahead and ask for professional help. There is nothing wrong in it. Absolutely nothing wrong. You just have to have that one person who will not judge you or who will not question you, who will just be there with you no matter what. And that doesn't have to be a love relationship. It could be anything.
Can be anyone. I think the most important thing, I totally resonate with whatever you said, is to listen. Sometimes it's just that you need to listen to somebody and make them feel comfortable. And when influencers and people who have the ability to exert an influence on the masses, they say things like this, I think it really matters and plays a positive role in the mindset of one and all. Thank you so much for talking to us. It's a lovely, insightful conversation. Wish you all the best for season 3 and everything that you do in the future. God bless you, and Umesh as well. And I'm pretty sure
he's going
to be having the same answer.
Third season. It will have subtitles.
Absolutely. I'll watch it. I'll DM on Instagram regarding my feedback. Thank you so much.
Sure, Shubhajit. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Same here. God bless.